When life gets tough, what are you gonna do?
And I'm so honored to be standing in the presence of greatness. You have the power to change the trajectory of your family's life.
You all have big dreams, you all have big goals. You wanna do big things. You are looking at two people right now who are living their dream. But the question is, are you gonna be excited for yours?
The future of this country is right here, right now. And everything that you do starting today is gonna make a difference. What leaders do is they leave a place better than they found it. So when you go back to your school, it better be a different school. When you go back to your church, it better be a different church. When you go back to your house, it better be a different house. Why? Because leaders leave a place better than they found it. So when you walk into any room, you better walk in there like you belong there. When you sit at any table, you better sit there like you belong there, because each and every single one of you are leaders. And I believe that you're going to impact so many people.
They were amazing. They related to the students, they engaged the crowd, the message was spot on, and they were so energetic and just so powerful. You want to have Noble Sheep at your event.
The senior year ended up being one of the best years of my life, because I didn't have to try to live according to other people's opinions. And now when I'm in front of you today, my dream started when I was on that stage, because I imagined myself being and talking to multiple crowds all across our nation, which I'm doing today. So I don't know what that dream is for you, but I do know that to get to your dream, you can't be anybody else but yourself. Because it's when you love yourself and you understand that you have a purpose and you have value, then things will start to unfold for you.
Noble Sheep made an impact. I recommend them to everybody.
When you look out that window on the plane, when you're so high up, everything else looks like it's slowing down. And you get a chance to truly figure out what's important to you in life. We made it a mission that any single thing I was gonna be a part of, people around me were gonna be better. If you're ready to make an impact and a difference, not only in your life, but in the life of others, 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for flying with Power Up Airlines today.
Thank you.